guys, so I was sent this awesome printer by NefLaca. You can find them on Amazon with my link in my bio. The printer came with instructions, the driver, some labels, power cord, computer cord, a nifty little USB-C adapter on top for your computer, and of course the white printer. It's awesome. Thank you guys so much for sending me this. The driver and manual were super easy to install. I'm just packing an order here. I plugged in the printer. It formatted my labels for 4x6 printers straight from Etsy, printed it out, and there